Welcome back, guys, to this channel. In this video I will show you how to resolve it when your account is restricted from Facebook like this. So on your Facebook account, on the app, go to the three-line button on the upper right, scroll down until you see settings and privacy, and then go to settings and go to search and search for um, activity log. So uh, what this will do is you will have to choose which kind of activity in here that you think caused the restriction from Facebook or the problem from Facebook. So after that, go to your home page and reload your Facebook, and then go to the three line button as again, and then go to help and support, and then do help center. And here you just have to go to account settings, and then um, click no, and then click other, so that here you can type your concern. So for example, what I will type here is for the Facebook team to check and reconsider my account and to remove the restriction because I cannot post or I cannot react to Facebook posts anymore. So after that, you just click submit, and that's it. That's how you resolve when your Facebook account is restricted due to some suspicious activity. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please do like this video and subscribe to this channel.